So, hindi kami makapangisda kasi high tide pa. So, relax muna kami. Relax muna kami sa sa bahay. Nagkikinig sa ano ba yan? Alon. Yun Nakikinig lang kami sa alon. Relax. Makatulog ako soon. We going for walk later, babe. Relax dito. Parang nakakaantok ba? Maliit lang siya na bahay. Yan yung TV, oh. Tapos, yung dagat. May outdoor dining doon. Sa backyard yan. Tapos dagat. Mangingay ng alon. Sarap matulog. Ready na daw siya mag-fishing. Tapos kumain siya ng pandesal. No niya sa coffee. Okay, no in the coffee. I do the same thing, oh. Ready for fishing now, huh? Cheers, coffee. I only drink coffee.
Can you hear the fish? They're calling me.
Craig, come and catch me. You can't catch me. Ha 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 ha. You can't catch me. Ha ha.
I only drink coffee pag kumain ako ng pandesal. FC, kain tayo. Hindi may toilet paper lang. I mean, toilet paper. That's not nice. You love me. I'm really KFC.
Yummy.
In Aladana, the best KFC. Ah, no. What's that? Nora. Kain muna tayo kasi mangisda tayo mamaya. Lapit na alas 8.
You should have made some nice banana cake with cashews.
No, walnut.
Walnuts, whatever they are.
Well, I'm very busy. I worked yesterday.
Look at the fireplace. Is that real or what?
Oh, that's fake.
I thought it had a fireplace, but it doesn't.
Are you gonna have that later?
Yeah, why? If I'm hungry.
Pang-apat ko na ito na bread. Pandesal. Tumaba na ako nito. This is my number 4. Not mo?
What did you say?
I said, jawab mo.
I don't want more.
I'm hot now.
Calorie counting.
Well, we're on the holiday, so my stomach doesn't go holiday and my mouth doesn't go holiday.
Good.
Always eat.
She wants to get fat chops.
Kain.
Fat cheeks.
Enjoy life sometimes.
Well, I wonder if it's going to cause any trouble
What do you mean?
with Dan, having them do what you let them do.
Oh, the land.
Mm.
Should be alright.
They'll be there early in the morning making noise.
It's my land. So, nagre-ready na siya sa pangingisda niya. Nearly ready ba?
Yeah.
Concentrate na concentrate. Oh, mayroon pang isa, oh. Oh, ang haba. Dalawa yung dadalhin niya. Isa daw para sa akin. Sana makakuha ng ready na din tayo. Kasi malamig doon sa dagat. So, ano ba yung charger ko? Hanapin ko muna. Dito sa bag ko. Charger ko muna itong phone kasi baka makahuli kami ng isda mamaya. Excited na yung nanay niyo, dahil. Basta dagat na yung pag-usapan, excited na talaga. Oh my goodness. What is that noise, babe?
I don't know what it was.
Oh, I thought something. May nahuli na yung asawa ko. Ang laki-laki. Oh my God, it's so big. It's
I don't think I can get the...
very, very big.
I need to get him, but I can't because I got the rod.
Oh my goodness. It's so big.
Can't get the hook out, babe, until I can get the fish.
Yeah. Ang laki-laki. Ang laking nakuha niya. Grabe, ano yan.
I'm going to try and turn him over. Can you try and get the hook out?
Yeah, I will get it. Wow, so big. Hi guys, ang daming kukabara sa labas. Ang daming kukabara. Yan yung kukabara dito sa Australia. Ang ingay.
They eat snakes.
Kakain sila ng snake daw. Wow, cute.
They grab them, take them up in the sky, drop them on the ground.
Good. Fly away now. What did you have for breakfast, babe?
Cup of coffee.
So we just wake up. Just wash my face. So maglakad-lakad kami, day. Now you're gonna have coffee.
I'm going to try this. Hopefully it's nice. Oh, you got to put it in a bloody thing.
I'm gonna finish my face, okay? Kasi I'm the middle na ano ako nag-ready baka mag-walking kasi kami. Wash my face and put sunscreen lang sa mukha para hindi tayo masunog kasi mainit sa labas. Para magpaputi tayo dyan. Walking tayo. Sa tag-isa kami ng kwarto. Yan akin. Sa kabila, sa kanya, sa likod niyan. Tatlo kasi itong room. Oh, masarap ang tulog. Kahit namiss ko yung pusa ko. Ready na inyong lula, guys. Kasi, nilagyan ko to kasi ayaw kong umitim yung neck ko. Kasi napansin ko may itim kasi mainit na dito sa Australia. So, kaya naglalagay ako nito. Mag-walking pa naman tayo ng mainit sa labas sa may dagat. So, ready na tayo. Nakasapatos natin yung nanay nyo. Ay, wala pala akong lotion. So, mag-lotion pa tayo. Ready, babe? Are you ready? I'm ready. Bring my bag for in case I found a nice shell. So, bungol man niya kung paano. Pagkabungol. So, nakalagay na ng lotion. Punta na tayo. Alis na tayo. Let's go. Oh my God, nagsisilpon. Ang ganda ng tanawin. Dagat sa harapan. Oh. Sarap pakinggan ng alon. Uy, let's go, oy! Oh. Mag-walking na kami, guys. Galing sa bahay. Oh. Diyan. Waterfront talaga dito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng alon. Oh, the people swimming, babe.
Huh?
People swimming.
Where do you want to go? Left, right.
Where the rocks, shady area there when you're on the way.
Huh? This way.
Yeah, the rocks. There. Yeah. Ganda. Uy, uy. Maganda ang weather. Hindi masyadong mainit. Relaxing, ha? So, nandito kami sa rocks area. Kung anong magkukuha. Wala, may crab. There's a crab here, babe. Big.
Where?
Here, hiding. There's
You alive?
titingin tayo pag may
Saw him
shell
move?
dito. Yeah. I found a shell, babe. Look, plenty here. Oh, wait a minute. I put this biscuit. Here. Kainin na itong soup ba? Oh, no, di dami. Oh, kunin natin ito. Magluto tayo ng soup. Oh, I cook that soup. Yeah. It's low tide. Kaya manginhas tayo dito sa Australia. Oh, see? But maybe it's not that much.
I'll take it anyway.
Yeah.
Keep looking for it.
Yeah.
There'll be more.
I put it back later. So wait a minute. We look for more. Nice to look at the pond, huh? Waterfall. See? There's small fish there.
You want to walk out there?
Oh, very nice up there. Oh. Ang ganda-ganda. Be careful. Sometimes this water not. Maybe it's dangerous for you, but I can walk. I like walking around like this. It's adventure. You can see a lot of things.
Coming in.
Good for fishing.
Nah.
Oh, you see the big black bird there? This is a black bird. May malaking bird. Oh, yan. Now on top of the rock.
No, can't say I can see it.
Did it?
Oh, there.
Black bird.
Blackbird singing in the dead of night.
Oh, ganda-ganda dito. Ayan, ganda. Show off na siya sa kanta-kanta niya. Wala mang mga lato dito at saka guso. So, ito yung dagat sa Australia. Walang masyadong shell. Or baka hindi lang ko lang alam pa paano titingnan. Pero wala talaga. Titingnan mo dito. Walang laman. Wala. See? Walang laman. Yung mga laman dagat. Walang mga shell. Iwan ko ba bakit. Marami siyang maliliit na mga shell. Pero sobrang liit naman yan kakainin. Hala, deep. Malalim na dito. Baka maisda dyan malaki. Wala man. Ay, maganda dito. This one deep. Deep. Ang ganda dito maliligo. Yung asawa ko malayo na. Ganda na mag-bukid. Punta kami doon mamaya. Doon, punta kami doon. Lakad-lakad. Papunta doon sa kabila. Malayo. Sige na guys. Walang chill dito. Ang ganda dito. Very relaxed.